And I'm Matthew Sr. And
we are doing an experiment.
What's that one?
Of a volcano. Yes.
Nice. We're definitely doing a volcano experiment.
First, and we got the volcano right. Yeah. First, you put your volcano on the. Place your volcano on a plate. Add some baking soda to the volcano, so we're going to do that.
How many spoonfuls though?
It's 2 spoonfuls.
Alright, 2 spoonfuls. So, scissors, baking soda. Alright, cut it in, cut it out. Alright.
Now put 2 spoonfuls. Like you put 1 spoonful and then you put it in there.
Alright, here. 2 spoonfuls out. Oh, two big spoonfuls. Here we go.
Are you ready? Are you ready to bring it out?
Yeah, bring it out slowly. 2 spoonfuls. Alright, put it in the top. Alright, now we need 1 more.
Okay, it's my first time using baking soda.
Alright.
I never used it.
Alright, here we go. 2 spoonfuls. Oop, don't spill it. Oop, you spilled it. Alright. There we go. Alright. So now let's put the baking soda aside there.
So you have to put this. This is a citric acid, and then you're supposed to mix it. No, you're supposed to pour it.
So how many spoonfuls are you supposed to do?
1.
Alright, 1 large spoonful. Alright, here you go, take that. So
The citrus is black.
let's let me cut the citric acid.
Yeah, don't cut your fingers.
Alright, here we go.
But it's.
So just 1 spoonful in there.
But if we burn ourselves.
Alright, here we go. 1 spoonful there.
That looks like baking soda.
Alright. And then it said mix well, right?
Well,
Go ahead and mix it. Go.
Beaker, water, 15 milliliters. Water.
Yes.
Now
Excellent.
we pour it.
Go.
We're gonna pour the 15 milliliter water in the crater hole. Together. Yeah, together. 3, 2, 1.
There it is. Oh man.
That's what
It is going. And you see it floated a little bit. And the more the water and the baking soda mix, the more explosion it was.
This put more baking soda in it.
Alright. Tell everybody thank you.
Thank
you.